Hey friends, if you wish to fix anti-malware service executable high CPU usage on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now here's the thing. This is because your antivirus is interfering with this process or this file, which is MsMpEng.exe. So search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security, and then you can go to virus and threat protection, go to scan options, select full scan, click on scan now, and let the scan do its job, because once it does its job it will be clear of scanning anything that it considers suspicious. The next solution is to disable Windows security temporarily. So you can go to virus and threat protection, select manage settings in the right pane, you'll find real-time protection here. Temporarily disable it, do your job, and once it is done, then enable it again because it's important. The next solution is to perform an SFC scan on your computer. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space / r space / f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.